This is a 2012 BMW 335. Features include a sunroof, Bluetooth cell phone integration, an intercooled turbocharger, xenon headlights, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button. And this vehicle has fewer than 14,000 miles on the odometer. This BMW has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Thank you for considering Ancira Winton Chevrolet for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 6111 Bandera Road in San Antonio. We look forward to serving you.